From the very first moment the camera sweeps across the scene, the energy is unmistakable. You're not just looking at another electric car. You're witnessing the start of what could be the single most influential EV release of the entire decade, the 2026 Tesla Model 2. A vehicle designed from the ground up to completely change how the world looks at electric mobility. This car is not meant only for early adopters or tech enthusiasts. It's designed for everyone. For families, for commuters, for students, for people who want the Tesla experience but could never reach the price point of previous models. And that is exactly why the excitement surrounding the Model 2 is unlike anything Tesla has seen before. It's more than just an affordable EV. It's a fully modern, forward-thinking electric crossover. Engineered to bring the clean energy revolution to the masses. Everything about its design, its size, its performance, and especially its price signals a massive shift in Tesla's priorities. It shows that the company is done focusing only on premium vehicles. Now, they're creating something truly universal. Something millions of drivers around the globe will realistically be able to purchase. Sleek lines, futuristic styling, smart technology integrated everywhere. And a cost that feels almost impossible for a Tesla yet. That's exactly what the Model 2 promises. And when you see the visuals of this car from the front fascia to the rear profile, from the minimalist cabin to the projected battery specifications, you understand instantly why so many people believe this might become the best-selling electric vehicle in the world. As the camera settles on the front design, Tesla's entire next-generation identity comes to life. The Model 2 doesn't just follow the styling cues of the Model 3 or the refreshed Model White pushes the design language forward. The front fascia is sculpted to look clean, modern, aerodynamic, and almost futuristic in its simplicity. Because electric cars don't need a traditional grille, Tesla has fully embraced the freedom to create a smooth, seamless face that cuts through the wind with minimal resistance. A razor-thin LED light bar stretches across the entire width, giving the car a sharp, confident, almost intimidating presence. It's the kind of front-end design that feels purposefully engineered to make a statement. Even before the car starts moving, the headlights themselves are narrow and angled aggressively, as if the Model 2 is always focused on the road with a sense of determination. At the upper center, the Tesla lettering sits proudly, subtly illuminated in a way that catches your eye without overwhelming the clean design. Down below, the lower bumper features precisely shaped air channels that serve dual purposes, directing airflow to the necessary components for cooling while simultaneously stabilizing the car at higher speeds. It's all part of Tesla's relentless approach to efficiency. Nothing on this front fascia is unnecessary. Every detail exists to improve performance, range, or visual presence. Shift around to the side, and the Model 2 transitions into a compact crossover silhouette that feels both sporty and practical. The roofline gently slopes toward the rear, creating a coupe-like shape that appeals to drivers who want something modern without sacrificing everyday usability. This profile is a big reason many people are calling the Model 2 the perfect daily electric vehicle. It slides perfectly into the modern lifestyle ideal for tight city streets, yet spacious enough for road trips, shopping days, and weekend adventures. Tesla has replaced traditional door handles with flush, aerodynamic versions that blend cleanly into the body, helping reduce drag even further. And instead of bulky side mirrors, the Model 2 is equipped with sleek digital camera pods, something Tesla has been testing for years. These cameras reduce wind resistance and enhance visibility, giving drivers a wider view while cutting down blind spots. The sculpted wheel arches highlight large turbine-style wheels that provide both visual appeal and aerodynamic function. These wheels aren't just for show. They're shaped specifically to reduce turbulence and help stretch every kilometer of range from the battery. From the side, the Model 2 carries proportions that make it look more expensive than it actually is. It feels futuristic, yet familiar, compact, yet confident. Tesla clearly wanted the Model 2 to stand out, not blend in. That intention becomes even more obvious as the view moves toward the rear, at the back of the vehicle. A full-width LED light strip connects both sides of the car in one continuous glowing line. It's a design normally seen in much higher-priced vehicles. But Tesla has brought that bold styling into the most affordable car they've ever built. In the center, an illuminated Tesla wordmark reinforces the premium feel. The rear window flows smoothly into an integrated spoiler, enhancing stability and adding a sporty touch that complements the car's aerodynamic silhouette. The bumper feels refined, carrying a contrasting lower section that resembles a diffuser, completing the modern EV aesthetic. Taking a step inside, the first word that comes to mind is simplicity. Not a basic or empty simplicity, but a clean, intentional, uncluttered environment that invites you in. The Model 2 follows Tesla's minimalist interior philosophy, but it feels more refined than previous iterations. Everything is positioned with purpose. Smooth lines run across the cabin, premium soft-touch materials cover the dash and doors, and the overall atmosphere is calm and airy. One of the standout features is the panoramic glass roof. It spans across the cabin, allowing natural light to pour in and making the interior feel significantly more open and spacious than you would expect from a compact EV, whether you're sitting in the front or the back. This roof gives the Model 2 a feeling of openness that rivals much larger vehicles. The dashboard houses a massive central touchscreen, the heart of Tesla's interface. This single screen controls almost everything: navigation, climate, entertainment, driving settings, and even software features that Tesla continues to update over time. However, unlike older models, Tesla has listened to customer feedback and added a digital instrument display directly behind the steering wheel. This gives drivers instant access to critical information like speed, battery level, and navigation directions without needing to glance to the side. The seats are sculpted with noticeable bolstering, premium stitching, indicating Tesla's aim to balance comfort with support. Whether you're commuting every day or settling in for a long-distance trip, the seating design promises a pleasant and fatigue-free experience. The cabin feels intentionally crafted to enhance the entire driving journey, rather than simply being a place to sit. Beneath its stylish exterior and minimalist interior, the 2026 Model 2 is expected to feature Tesla's most cost-optimized yet efficient battery system ever. The company is likely to use lithium iron phosphate LFP batteries. It's known for their long life cycles, safety, durability, and lower manufacturing cost. These batteries have become increasingly popular in affordable EVs because they allow manufacturers to reduce prices without sacrificing reliability. Tesla has already tested LFP solutions in the Model 3 and Model Y, and bringing them into the Model 2 aligns perfectly with the vehicle's mission. Early range estimates place the Model 2 between 320 and 400 kilometers, or roughly 200 to 250 miles, depending on the configuration. For most drivers, that range is more than enough for daily use, weekly errands, and occasional road trips. And with Tesla's ever-expanding supercharger network now featuring powerful V4, chargers' recharging times will be faster and more convenient than ever before. Performance-wise, Tesla plans to offer multiple configurations. The base version is expected to carry a single rear-mounted motor, providing smooth acceleration and efficient daily performance. This setup keeps costs low while still offering the responsive instant torque that electric vehicles are known for. For drivers who want more traction and capability, a dual-motor all-wheel drive variant is also expected. This version could bring the Model 2's 0 to 60 miles per hour acceleration into the mid-6-second range, making it one of the quickest vehicles in its price category. But the most talked about detail, the one that sparked worldwide excitement, is the price. Tesla's projected $25,000 starting price is nothing short of revolutionary. At this level, the Model 2 steps into a price bracket that competes directly with gasoline cars, hybrids, and compact SUVs from mainstream brands. It's a strategic move designed to accelerate mass EV adoption globally. A Tesla at this price will force traditional automakers to rethink their entire lineup, and more importantly, makes electric ownership truly attainable for millions of people who previously couldn't afford it. Tesla is aiming to begin production in late 2025, with the first customer deliveries rolling out sometime in early to mid-2026. Much depends on manufacturing speed, battery availability, and how quickly Tesla can scale production across its global gigafactories. But if everything proceeds as planned, the Model 2 could rapidly become one of the most common EVs on the road as the video draws to a close. The message becomes clear. The 2026 Tesla Model 2 is more than another car. It represents Tesla's mission distilled into one affordable, accessible vehicle that delivers style, innovation, practicality, and value. The exterior design is fresh, bold, and futuristic. The interior is calming, premium, and deeply technical. The performance focuses on real-world needs rather than luxury extremes. And the pricing strategy positions it as a direct challenger to every T.